So have a great day. Today I'm gonna show you how to migrate multiple tables from one server to another one with primary key, foreign key, weave, store procedures, all these things that you just created on your database actually. So in the previous video I showed you how to migrate multiple tables from multiple servers, but when you just do that, as you can see here, I guess it was this, no, not stores and tables. In the previous video, as you can see, I don't have schema name or primary key and all these things and triggers, indexes. So I only have index, as you can see, but key, I don't have primary key. So I'm gonna show you how to migrate multiple tables from actually one server to another one. So let's navigate to here. I guess, yeah, I'm just copy this and or just execute that. So as you can see, I have, those are my schema name and this is table name. So I'm going to migrate all these tables with waves store procedure if you want, of course, schema name. So this is my server name, my main server name, and I'm going to just migrate those tables. So those tables to another table, another database on another server. So just come here, and this is my server name that I will just copy and navigate my tables to. So let's create a database here. Create, oh my god, create database, and let's say second database. Oh my god. Anyway, just create this and on this server and execute that. That's great. So just navigate SSIS. Of course, you are going to use SSIS. So if you want to transfer multiple objects and all those tables from one server to another one, you need to have Transfer SQL Server Object Task tool. So just double click here on object. So source table. So new connection, we're going to say. So first of all, let's navigate to SQL Server and say connect. This is my actual main server. And copy this. But as you can see, it is Danya. So I'm just gonna come here and say Danya test connection. That's great. And say OK. And source connection. Source database, of course, bike stores. And as you can see, bike stores. And destination connection. New connection. And test connection. That's OK. And OK. I'm just gonna maximize this. And destination database. So it's gonna be second database. So drop object first. Yes, if we have tables and other objects, drop it and create it again. So copy database, yes, true. Copy schema, yes. Use collection, you just leave it false. I don't know what it is really. And copy all objects, no, false. Copy to objects to copy. Copy all tables, no. I'm just gonna come here and say, just scroll down, and I'm just gonna, if you want to just, let's say you wanna also copy foreign key and primary key, you have to also pay attention to references that you just created, foreign key and primary key, because when you create a foreign key, you just reference to another table. So once you just let's say you're just gonna copy this table, but this table have some foreign key and some foreign keys, and once you just copy the foreign key, you need to also get this reference and child table actually. So you need to pay attention to that. And I think I just checked them all. Okay, copy all views. If you want, you can do it. Let's do it. But if you copy all this waves, let's leave it false. Wave list, copy all store procedures. If you want, you can do it. But let's say true. And after that, schema list, copy all this, no. And schema list, come here and say production and sales. Okay. And what else? And copy security. No, I don't want to copy my user's name and all these objects related to security. And indexes, okay. Copy triggers, if you want, you can click it. Copy full text indexes. No. Primary key and foreign key, of course, yes. And let's double check it if we just forget anything or not. Copy schema, yes. Schema. Use collection, false. And all tables, collection. And table list, we check the tables, yes. Okay, let's do it this way. If we have any mistakes, we can just get back there and just fix it and start it. Okay, we're done. I'm just gonna click here. So as you can see, it didn't just copy login and user rules because I didn't want it to happen. That's the simple way. So just come here, minimize this, and where is my database? Actually, just refresh that. So it is here, tables. See, I just have tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is it? As you can see, 13. So let's open it, and columns. See, keys. I have primary key. I have indexes. I don't have triggers. Why? Just come here, and there are, I think we didn't triggers. What is it? Triggers. So we didn't just copy triggers, I think. So that's why we don't have triggers and views. There are no views and rules. Just come here and see if we have rules. And what is this? Security. And I guess let's come security. Yeah. Users. Only we have those because those are my main users. So roles, we don't have roles. So just production of products, come here and keys. As you can see, I have primary key and foreign key because I just copy also foreign keys. So that's really great way. And I just made another video about how to migrate all this data and transfer multiple tables from multiple server to another one using Python. But it is not really effective way because we cannot copy primary key, foreign key, all these things because it's gonna take a lot of time. You have to get back to SQL server and then a Python and then execute them and make a connection and all these things. But as you can see, you can do it easily without any effort using SSIS. So that's why I love SSIS. I think that's all. That's the way of data and object migration from one server to another one. So if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me. But let me select this one. I just want to make sure that everything went really well. Select from production. As you can see, I have schema here. So, and select row count. This is my server name. As you can see, server name, and just execute that. So this is my server name, right? The desktop and Drogba. I love Drogba, by the way. And this is my parent server. Actually, my first server. So Danya. So I'm just gonna execute the same thing here, same syntax, same code, and see if we have the same numbers. 322. Copy this and come here. 322. As you can see, we're done. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day again.